What I love about Prophix is that it made my life easier. I can sleep at night knowing I'm able to do what I need to do in real time, quick, efficient, and reliable. My name is Pauline Neamtu. I'm the finance director at Numeris. Numeris is a Canadian not-for-profit company, and its main activity is to measure the audience of the Canadian broadcaster industry by surveying users and showing what users are listening or watching on TV. Some of the unique challenges the finance team faces is the demand to provide ad hoc reports on an ongoing basis, accurate financial statements on a timely basis, monthly rolling forecast, and also to prepare annual budgets. Before Prophix, it was really hard to get timely reports. It was cumbersome, and we had to rely a lot on our IT team. I was never able to see the data on a real timing basis. I couldn't rely on the system. It wasn't very transparent. When we looked for the new system, we selected several vendors, and we had several critical factors. Make sure the system is user-friendly. Make sure that you can get the reports which you need on a timely basis. Prophix was one of the unique vendors able to demonstrate that the system can meet our needs. We are using Prophix since 2017. Currently, we are using Prophix for monthly financial statements, the monthly rolling forecast process, and also our budget process, which is an annual process. Prophix is very useful for us. With Prophix now, we have reports set up, and I can see real time how the bottom line looks like. I can also analyze the data. I can look to current year data versus prior year data or current year actuals to the budget. I can analyze the data on the spot and have the answers in a matter of seconds, while in the past that was not possible. Cumbersome tasks now are done automatically using Prophix. It's a very efficient system. It's very user-friendly, and it provides you the right information at the right time. If I want to run ad hoc queries just to analyze the data, Prophix is amazing. Like in a matter of seconds, you can see and analyze the data, understand what's happening. In the past, that was not possible. So I really love Prophix. The number one thing I will tell any finance people looking for a new financial system is that if you are looking for a system which is reliable, which helps you to analyze your data in real time and get the information you need quick and in a reliable manner, Prophix is one of the best systems. You don't need any IT experience or qualification to manage and set up. It's very transparent, and also it's very easy to use. How I describe Prophix, it's awesome. I love it. I love working with Prophix team. Everything so far exceeded my expectation, and I'm a very strong believer of the system, and whenever I had the opportunity, I promote the system to everyone.